How to get Moxie ingredients in the Bingo Blitz game. In this game, collecting Moxie ingredients is essential for cooking dishes in Chef Moxie's American Road Trip. These ingredients help you complete menus, earn rewards, and progress in the game. Here is how you can gather them. Number 1 step is ingredient basket. You can find ingredient basket in various parts of the game, including bingo rounds, seasonal events, quests, chef class benefits, and purchases. Each basket contains ingredients of varying rarities. As you progress and complete dishes, more types of basket become available, offering a wider variety of ingredients. Next is pantry passes. If you are missing a specific ingredient, pantry passes can help. Bronze pass, silver pass, and gold pass. Pantry passes are earned through quest events and bingo rooms. Next step is trading with friends. Exchange ingredients with friends through the Friends Center. Enter the Friends Center just right here. Then tap on the gift request option and choose the ingredient you wish to trade. Send or accept trade request to exchange ingredients. And that's it. This is how you can get the Moxie ingredients in the Bingo Blitz game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.